Hands-on learning at Rockhurst is something that we do in every single discipline in every single classroom. It's just important to be able to actually figure out the problems with the subject, and it's something that every single Rockhurst student will be doing. So I was taking a statics class, and our project was to build a motor. Our tools were some wood, a commutator, copper wire, and basically the entire project was to be able to make this motor in order to lift about 15 grams.
We have below and above a permanent magnet here and here, which is represented on the real motor by these electromagnets, these two coils. Then the rotating part that's inside of here is what the students have built.
My partner and I did not exactly succeed at the project. Part of our problem was that we got in this one idea and we kind of had tunnel vision and just went with that. While we did fail, I think we actually learned a lot about being able to be able to take a step back and actually learn from what we've been doing wrong in order to succeed in the future.